In 1982, a small Italian town called Alba saw the birth of Ferrero Rocher, a chocolate that quickly became a global sensation. This chocolate, known for its unique layers and hazelnut center, quickly became a favorite in many countries. So, how do they do it? The idea of Ferrero Rocher was originally thought up by an Italian businessman named Michele Ferrero. He owned the Ferrero Chocolate Company, which grew from his father's small bakery and cafe in Alba, Piedmont. Born from a tradition of Italian pastry making, Ferrero Rocher had one aim when it was created, which was to be perfect. Let's look into key ingredients that make these chocolates so special and where they come from. Ferrero Rocher chocolates are made from carefully selected ingredients. At the heart of every Ferrero Rocher is a whole roasted hazelnut. These hazelnuts are Ferrero's specialty, sourced mainly from Turkey's Black Sea region, the world's largest producer. But the story of these hazelnuts doesn't end there. Ferrero also sources hazelnuts from Italy, specifically Piedmont, Lazio, and Campania, which is unsurprising given the company's Italian roots. Additionally, to ensure a year-round supply of fresh and quality hazelnuts, Ferrero has extended its cultivation to countries in the southern hemisphere, including Chile, Argentina, and Australia. In fact, the company consumes about 25% of the world's annual hazelnut supply. Moving on to cocoa, a core ingredient in Ferrero Rocher, Ferrero works directly with farmers, training them in good agricultural practices, and strives for a full traceability in its supply chains. This focus on sustainable sourcing ensures that the environment is cared for and that the rights of workers and local communities are respected. Another key ingredient is palm oil. Ferrero uses 100% RSPO certified palm oil, ensuring it can be traced back to the plantation. This shows their commitment to sustainable practices and avoidance of deforestation. The manufacturing process of Ferrero Rocher is as secretive as the recipe itself. The journey of creating each Ferrero Rocher begins with its signature ingredient, which is hazelnut. These hazelnuts are carefully selected, roasted to perfection, and then sent off on their transformation journey. Each hazelnut is then coated in a velvety smooth chocolate ganache. Each little hazelnut takes a dip in a chocolate pool, emerging richer and tastier. Next, this hazelnut, now wrapped in ganache, is wrapped in a delicate, thin wafer shell. This shell is a crucial part of the iconic Ferrero Rocher texture. Interestingly, the creamy chocolate part inside a Ferrero Rocher is actually Nutella, another product made by Ferrero. Following this, the hazelnut wrapped in wafer takes another chocolate plunge. This time, it's coated in a layer of solid milk chocolate. But the chocolate extravaganza does not stop here. The chocolate-coated hazelnut is then rolled in chopped hazelnuts. The final touch, and arguably the most recognizable feature of Ferrero Rocher, is the luxurious golden foil wrapping. Each chocolate ball is carefully wrapped in this foil, turning it into the golden treat we all know and love. But how do they do all these steps with such precision each time? This intricate process involves machinery and is carried out with precision and care to maintain the unique taste and quality of Ferrero Rocher. It's a process that's been perfected over the years and is shrouded in secrecy to protect the unique methods and techniques used. Ferrero Rocher's commitment to quality is evident in their strict testing process. Professional tasters are employed to ensure each chocolate meets their high standards, checking for the perfect balance of flavors and the right texture. The making of Ferrero Rocher is a precise process that ensures every bite of Ferrero Rocher is an indulgent experience, a perfect mix of textures and flavors. Ferrero Rocher is packed into its luxurious packaging through machines following this long process. The company has introduced new eco-designed boxes made from polypropylene. This material is not only easier to recycle globally, but also significantly reduces the use of plastic. It is then transferred to be distributed globally. Ferrero Rocher's global distribution shows its universal appeal. The company's chocolates are available in over 42 countries across Europe, North America, Latin America, Asia and the Middle East, and Oceania. This widespread distribution is made possible by Ferrero's strategic approach to packaging and logistics, ensuring that these beloved chocolates are available around the world while adhering to sustainable practices. Ferrero Rocher has become a cultural icon, especially during the holiday season. In many countries, including the United Kingdom and Mexico, It's known for its association with Christmas and New Year's celebrations. The brand's luxurious image and golden packaging have made it a popular gift and a symbol of celebration. Ferrero Rocher is a rare instance of a chocolate brand becoming a global phenomenon. Behind each delicious piece is a complex process from ingredient sourcing to production. Similar to the intricate process of making this chocolate, Pringles also go through a very complicated process to make a yummy snack. Click here to find out how Pringles are made.